Ever found yourself staring at your fridge, totally blank on what to eat for the week? You are definitely not alone. That feeling of uncertainty hits hard, and planning meals can be a real headache. We have all been there, standing in the kitchen asking ourselves, what should we cook? It is easy to feel stuck, and honestly, who has the brain power to plan out an entire week's meals and write a grocery list? That is where MealBoard AI comes in. This tool uses artificial intelligence to automatically plan your meals and build your grocery list in seconds. No more guessing, no more stressing, and absolutely zero decision fatigue. Just open the app, let the AI do its thing, and you're set for the week. And just to be clear, this is not sponsored. MealBoard AI is simply awesome and makes meal planning feel effortless. Curious how MealBoard AI can simplify your meal planning? Let's walk through the easy steps to get started. First, head over to mealboardai.com. Once you are there, simply enter the ingredients you have on hand, or let MealBoard AI know what types of meals you enjoy. Next, choose how many meals you want to prepare for the week. The artificial intelligence behind MealBoard AI will instantly generate delicious recipes tailored just for you. But it does not stop there. MealBoard AI also creates a complete grocery list based on your selected meals, so you know exactly what to buy at the store. When you are ready, just download your recipes and grocery list. That is it. Meal planning with MealBoard AI is quick, easy, and stress-free. Let's say you are on a tight budget and only have pasta and cheese at home. MealBoard AI suggests meals like creamy mac bowls or roasted garlic noodles, then adds affordable essentials like milk, garlic, and butter to your grocery list. If you are focused on eating clean, just type clean meals under 500 calories. Instantly, MealBoard AI recommends salads, roasted chicken bowls, and fruit snacks with a ready-to-go grocery list. Need to feed a family of 4? Simply tell MealBoard AI, and you will get bigger portion recipes. There is no planning required, so you can enjoy stress-free family dinners. Save time, save money, eliminate grocery shopping stress, avoid random checkout snacks, and eat better without any extra effort. MealBoard AI makes better eating effortless. If you want more everyday AI hacks that make life stupid easy, smack that subscribe button and share this with someone who hates grocery planning.